What is up, my YouTube friends? It's your boy Pauly'C, and you're here for another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlogs. In today's episode, I'm going to be focusing primarily on the staircase so you can see how I work that, pre-spray, manual agitation, and then multiple pads with an orbital floor machine. I did get the opportunity to pull out the rinse-a-roo hose. You can see it there. The sink was not deep enough for my container, so it does have a latex head which stretches over the faucet. And then you just put the hose in any container you're using. It is stretchable to the point to where you could put it over a bathtub faucet or a shower head. Definitely a tool if you're in the cleaning business to keep on your vehicle. I have this with me at all times. And I have a little clip that I just clip it together and keep it in my spotter bucket along with some of my spotters. Just a really good tool to have. I will show you some of the after pictures of the other areas that I did in addition to the staircase. I won't focus on the work. I did the work with the Orbot Vibe and 20-inch Glad pads. I'm using the Awesome end cap mixed up there at 3 ounces per gallon. Awesome end cap is an encapsulant cleaning solution. Pretty much 99% of all the products and equipment and pads I use come from endcapstore.com. Always a link in the description. So if you want to carry the same items I use, go ahead and click on that link and check them out. We do have a Berber family room downstairs, but check out this gorgeous view. Oh my gosh, Pauly'C bought his fishing pole and his bathing suit. Oh yeah. Oh, don't I wish. I'll pan in out there and I'll show you. We're in a town called Seabeck in the state of Washington, and those are the Olympic Mountains. And you can see the ones in the center back there were snow-capped still. So absolutely gorgeous. I'll walk you through here. I want to show you a couple of the tools I'm using. Obviously, most of you know the smaller floor machine, the Works sprayer. And I've got one of the 20-inch Glad pads from the last bedroom that I just completed downstairs. And the other 6, I think it was 6 or 7 more of them I used throughout the house are now loaded on the van. And then I have 13-inch Glad pads, a couple of those for the smaller floor machine. They will be doing the stairs, and I'm going to be pre-agitating manually with just a brush with a long handle. This will allow me to get the top of the stairs, the bull nose, the face plate, and along the edges where there may be filtration lines. And these are the completed rooms. I figured I'd show you the final work. There's 3 bedrooms upstairs, that little hallway, and then a big landing area that you'll see. And I want to show you these because the finished product, you can see those aesthetic triangles. Those were laid out not with the Orbot Vibe floor machine and not through steam cleaning with a wand, but by using a rug renovator, which I'll show you. All right. So here it is. I've changed the pole on the rug renovator to a painter's telescopic pole so that I can extend it out longer. It has 2 sides. The dark blue side says aggressive. If you flip it over, it has a less aggressive light blue side that says delicate. You can see it's got wheels on both sides. And then the brush extends out past the wheel so you can do a good job at getting edges as well when you're using it for agitation or for grooming. At the end of the job, you'll get those beautiful triangles. So I am going to spray down the awesome end cap pretty heavily. I'm going to need that amount of solution. The solution is the vehicle that transfers the soil into the cotton pad. I'll let you watch me get them all pre-sprayed, scrub it out. And like I said, I did speed up the agitation step 2 times regular speed so that you don't have to watch me slowly do each step. But by doing them slowly, it also gives dwell time to all the stairs before I pad them out. Then you'll see me come back through and I'll do the first 7 stairs with 1 pad and then switch over and do the final 7 stairs with an additional pad. If I feel like it's not removed all the soil or it's not dry enough, I can always go over it with additional pads. So stay tuned and I'll catch up with you further along in the video. Okay, I'm gonna peel this pad off and I'll put a fresh one on for the next 7 steps, and then we'll do the same thing, repeat, go down. You can see the soil on that pad. It does penetrate all the way through, so I never flip the pad over with these cotton pads. I know you can in some instances if you don't have a real heavily soiled carpet, but in this case, the stairs, obviously high traffic area, we're gonna need the 2 full pads to absorb as much of that soil as possible. So hang tough and I'll catch up with you further along in the video. Alrighty then, looking fantastic. All I gotta do is do a little picture collage like this and send this off to my client. I just took 3 little photos, put them together in the Pic Collage app with a little smiley face, send that via text to my client, let him know the home's locked up, everything came out beautiful. Any issues, get a hold of me. But from there, should be fine. So there you have it. I'll see you in my next one.